Good morning, students. So far, I hope you have completed 12 exercise 12B part. 12B is done. Today, let's take up 12C. Exercise 12C is based on multiplication of polynomials. Do you know what is polynomial? Let's firstly explain this term, polynomial. You know, a single term, one term algebraic expression is called monomial. Two term is called binomial. Three term is called trinomial. Multi-term means more than one is called multinomial or polynomial. That means polynomial is something which has all monomial, binomial, trinomial. Polynomial is an algebraic term. Polynomial is single term, two term, three term, all taken together is called polynomial. Now, our exercise is based on multiplication of polynomials, and for this we need to know one law of exponents. Exponents means powers. That is a raised to power m into a raised to power n is a raised to power m plus n. Our first question of the exercise is based on multiplication of monomial by monomial, means single term by single term. Let's take a fourth part of question number 4. That is minus 5 by 9ax square by minus 3 by 5bxa square. We'll first multiply sign by sign, number by number, a by a, x by x, b by b if we have any. So multiplying minus by minus, minus minus turns out to be plus. 5 by 9 by 3 by 5, cancelling it, we got 1 by 3. Multiplying a by a square, b is single term over here, x square by x. A by a square means a is raised to power 1, 1 plus 2, b x 2 plus 1. So 1 by 3 a cube b x cube. Raised to power 3 is called cube. I hope it is clear. Now the question number 2 is based on multiplication of a polynomial by a monomial. That is more than one term by a single term. So here we have 4 terms in the first bracket, 3x square y minus 2xy square plus 5xy minus 6 to be multiplied by single term 4xy. What shall we do? That we'll split this bracket. First term by 4xy, then minus the second term by 4xy, plus third term by 4xy, minus fourth term by 4xy. This is what I have written. Take the signs along. Now multiply 4 3s are 12. X square x cube, you can directly write x raised to power 3 or x2 plus x1 x3. y1 plus 1 is y2, or 4 2s are 8, x square y cube, 5 4s are 20, x square y square, 6 4s are 24, xy. Clear? Now see question number 3. Question 3 is multiplication of binomial by binomial, means 2 terms by another 2 terms. Now see, first term is 3a minus 2b, second term is 2a plus 3b. What we can do here is that any one of these two brackets can be split. I'm splitting this 3a minus 2b and term by term I'm multiplying it with the second bracket. First 3a with this second bracket, then minus 2b with the second bracket. See, this is what I've done. 3a by 2a plus 3b, then minus 2b by 2a plus 3b. And multiplication is same. 3 2s are 6, a square. 3 3s are 9, ab minus 2 2s are 4, ab minus 3 2s are 6, bb become b square. And then collecting the like terms together. These two are like terms. So collecting them together, this is 6a square. This will become 5ab. This will be minus 6b square. Similar is question number 4. Here in sum number 4, they have multiplied a trinomial by a binomial. 3 terms by 2 terms. So again, those 3 terms I have split. First term 3 by 5x minus 4, then minus 2x by 5x minus 4, then plus 5x square by 5x minus 4. And similar way to multiply. Now it is monomial by binomial. 3 5s are 15 into x minus 12 minus 10x square minus plus 8x plus 25x cube minus 20x square. Again, now taking the like terms together, this is the first term 25x cube, then there are two x square terms, 20x square, 10x square become 30x square, then 15 8 23x, then minus 12, and this is the answer. Similar is question number 5. Here also they have multiplied 3 terms by 3 terms. I'll send you the solution of this sum also, and I hope it is clear. Do attempt few of the questions, at least till question number 3. Thank you so much. I hope you understood.